Stretching Animal Logic's world of birds. Today, we're talking about a bird that permanently looks like someone walked in on them while they were doing their business in the restroom. These are potus. They're a bird family found exclusively in the tropical regions of Central and South America. There are 7 different species of these wide-eyed weirdos, and they've adapted to habitats as diverse as the dry deserts of Colombia and the wetlands of the Brazilian Pantanal. These species range in size from 30 to 70 centimeters, or roughly about the size of a pigeon. If they look a little familiar, that's because we did an episode a couple years ago on their cousins, the frogmouths. Danielle and the team traveled to Australia to meet the Aussie version of the potu.
I think I'm